Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Wednesday, the 30th of January. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's market. The only data released was from the US. It was a consumer confidence number that came in at 120.2. That was under the forecast of 125 in what was a relatively slow day in the markets. The only real market mover was the GBP. As those Brexit negotiations and voting through the parliaments continue to take place. Let us now jump into our chart of the day, as there was nothing else really major to report. The chart that I found this morning it's the New Zealand CAD on a 4-hour time frame. As you can see here, I have found a nice little channel where the market has come down 2 times and rejected off the channel. At the top it's come up once, and we are there for the second time. So naturally what we're looking for right now is we're looking for any kind of price action reversal pattern to form on this perimeter where I've highlighted here with the halt zone. If I can get some price action reversal to occur in this region, well, then it's all triggers on and we will have a confirmation and a possible trade for us. So there you have it. That is our chart of the day, the New Zealand CAD on a 4-hour time frame. What's coming up in the session, which is about to kick off, we have this morning at 11:30 locally, we have our CPI numbers and the trimmed mean CPI all due at 11:30, and then at 6 o'clock in the morning, before I speak to you next, it's the FOMC statement and the interest rates decision from the US. Now, there's not a high expectation of any movements, as we have had softer data in recent weeks. So we're not really expecting a rate movement there, but let's see what comes out in the statement. And then at 6:30 we have the press conference in relation to the numbers which have been released half an hour earlier. That pretty much wraps up the session there. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.